Hello guys! Good afternoon! Gagawa tayo ng French toast kasi nakalimutan ko siyang ma-on yung video. Ganito pala guys. Ito yung milk na nilagay ko. Ayan, Dutch milk. Orange flavor. Nalaglag. Ito, napakaliit lang niya. Nilagay ko dito at 2 perasong eggs. The whole 2 pieces of eggs. Nilagay ko dito at a pinch of salt. Ayan. Iodized salt. Yan ang nilagay kong salt. Tapos guys, i-dip natin yung bread. Tapos meron tayong butter dito. Ang Corb Fonterra Trusted Goodness Pure New Zealand Butter. So, i-dip natin yung bread. Tapos, initin natin yung kawali. Ayan guys. On natin yung fire. Yehey! Tapos, lagyan natin ng butter. Ayan, we will slice a piece of butter. Ayan guys. A small piece of butter. Tapos, guys, and then, ilagay na natin si bread. Yes. This is my way of cooking French toast. Ayan, na-flip na natin. Look at that. How yummy it is. Wow. French toast.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.